interest on monthly drawings, like drawings made on first day of every month, drawings made on last day of every month, drawings made on the mid of the every month. The same way we'll go for the quarterly drawings. So first of all, we take interest on monthly drawings, like interest on drawings made on first day of every month. The formula for this is total drawings into rate upon 100 into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12. Otherwise, we take here rate upon 100 into, now n means number of months drawings made, that is 13 upon 2 into 12. Depends on what you want. Example, rupees 1500 withdrawn on first day of every month, for the whole year. Calculate interest on drawing when rate of interest is say 15%. So here, as per this formula, if I have to calculate, the answer becomes like this: total drawings into rate upon 100 into n plus 1, 2 into 12. Got it? So when we calculate the interest here, 1500 into 12, that becomes total drawings into 15 upon 100 into 12 plus 1, that is 2 into 12. If you proceed here, it comes to 18,000 into 15 upon 100 into 6.5 divided by 12. Calculate the answer and send it to me. Interest on drawings is equal to okay, just calculate it and give it to me. Now we'll take interest on drawings made on midday of every month or made in middle of every month. Middle of every month. Here the formula will be total drawings into rate upon 100 to 6 by 12. This I explained when I given the second formula of the in the beginning of the interest on drawings. Suppose rupees 1000 withdrawn in middle of every month for whole year. Calculate interest on drawings when rate of interest is 12% per annum. So here, if you calculate, it is interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate upon 100 into 6 by 12. Calculate it. 1000 withdrawn for the whole year, that is 12 months, into rate of interest 12%, and the formula goes like this. Get the answer: 12,000 into 12 upon 100 into 6 by 12. Rupees 720. Correct? Now we go for the third point. Interest on drawings made on last day of every month. The formula is total drawings into rate upon 100 into n minus 1 2 into 12. The first I had given n plus 1, here it is n minus 1. Instead of this, we can use 5.5 divided by 12. Correct? So we have seen the formula: total drawings into rate upon 100 into n minus 1 divided by 2 into 12. So suppose example here, rupees 1000 withdrawn on last day of every month. Calculate interest on drawings when rate of interest is say 10% per annum, and drawing was made on for entire year, and drawings were made for whole year. Whole year means 12 months. So if I have to calculate the answer here, the formula given here: total drawings, interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into rate upon 100 into n minus 1 divided by 2 into 12. Total drawings 1000 into 12, rate is 10%, and here it is 12 minus 1 divided by 2 into 12. It goes further: 12,000 into 10 upon 100 into 5.5 divided by 12. So that comes to 550 rupees. Correct? Just calculate it. Thank you. After, send me the doubts. Thank you very much.